70% of the participants are from the out of Gujarat. And that also indicate how much is the importance of this topic, Industry 4.0. So now I would like to conclude my speech and hand over back it to the anchor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the inspiring word and spreading some basic information regarding the Industry 4.0 revolution that is being taking place in the industries. And subsequently, I think it is being considered in the various curriculum also. Now, as the department head, Professor M.R. Mali sir, has been passed through some throat surgery. He has sent his message. I request one of my colleague, Dr. Vinay Bhai Parikh, who is enthusiastically involved in organizing this faculty development program. So I request Dr. Vinay Bhai Parikh to please spread the message of Professor M.R. Mali sir, who is the head of production engineering department. And I also request Vinay Bhai to please welcome all the participants to join in this faculty development program. Over to you, Vinay Bhai.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vinay Parikh, working as an assistant professor in production engineering department, wholeheartedly welcomes all on behalf of production engineering department, Lakhdilji Engineering College, to Atal FDP Industry 4.0. I am reading a WhatsApp message of Professor M.R. Mali, who is passing through some throat surgery. So I am reading his message as of now. Respected chief guest of MD of Balaji Wafers, Virani sir, our principal Dr. Pandya sir, all head of the department, all experts, all participants, my colleagues and friends. It's a pleasure and honor to welcome all of you in this FDP based on an industrial revolution going to held in near future. Such training is extremely needed and useful for all of us to gain knowledge of advanced technologies to boost up our career and to walk along with the world. Sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy, powered by Commissioner of Technical Education and organized by Production Department, the training will give a booster dose to all of us in this pandemic situation. So let us unite to learn advanced technologies lessons from learned technocrat experts from various states of India and abroad, expecting your patience, cooperation, and curiosity to make events successful. In spite of lots of enthusiasm in my heart to attend the program, and welcome you due to throat surgery carried out last month. I am unable to attend as advised by doctor and hence I have dropped my speech here for me to speak out. Forgive me for the same. Again, welcome you all wholeheartedly from Professor M.R. Mali, head of the department production. So thank you very much, sir. Uh, we again wholeheartedly welcomes our all participants, all experts, principal sirs, and all the dignitaries. Over to Miami, please.
Thank you, sir, for reading the message of Professor M.R. Mali, sir, very heartily. Now, still, I am having some communication with Jai Bhai Balaji, who is the personal assistant of Chandu Bhai Virani. And may I request Jai Bhai if Chandu Bhai is able to join so that we can have a speech of him. Meanwhile, we do have our speaker, Dr. S. Vinod Visas, who is a master in the field of Industry 4.0 and the revolution and implementing such aspects in the manufacturing industries and other organizations. Dr. Vinod, sir, may I request you to please say a few words regarding the program that we are organizing from today, as Vinod sir is having a keynote session of today's event. The very first session will be conducted by him. I humbly request Sir Dr. Vinod sir to say a few words about this. Sir, over to you.
Yes, madam. Good morning, Madam Maya and other head of the department and principal and other coordinators and faculty and scholar participants. A very fine morning to all. So it gives me pleasure to be a part of this inaugural program and subsequently the first session of this FDP on Industry 4.0 and manufacturing. So I sincerely appreciate the organizers for taking up a very relevant topic for conducting this faculty development program, as the industries are progressing towards Industry 4.0 implementation, and a lot of developments are happening in industries in terms of implementation of Industry 4.0 concepts. The key technologies starting from cyber physical systems, which is one of the foundation for Industry 4.0, and Internet of Things, industrial Internet of Things, big data analytics, additive manufacturing, and so on. And in line with industrial developments, from research perspective, from academic institutions, a lot of developments are happening with regard to Industry 4.0 research, and the research is being taken from multiple dimensions, especially to coordinate with the developments happening in industries. And today I'll be focusing in my session on lean manufacturing and Industry 4.0 integration. So likewise, there are several concepts which have to be further explored in the context of Industry 4.0. So that's one of the key challenge we have in developing tools, technologies, methodologies in order to enable industries as a part of Industry 4.0 implementation. So in this context, my sincere appreciation